Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you're doing? Hope you're all well. So today we actually didn't do much recording all day. I was busy working on the farm, and Tabitha's just been kind of waiting around for the van to actually get fixed at the garage. And she's only just got back, and it's already dinner time, so we're not going to bother doing anything on the van really today. So I thought we'd just give a quick update of what actually happened at the garage. And to be honest, we're not that happy. Yeah, putting it bluntly. Basically, they had it for, I don't know how many hours, a lot anyway, a lot of hours, and Tabitha was just waiting around Bingham, just waiting to get a phone call to pick it up because they said it wasn't going to take too long. And all it was just a body control module reset, so it shouldn't really have took that long. But it, yeah, ended up taking hours, and basically the problem still isn't fixed. So as we turn the ignition on, I'll quickly do it now. So as we turn the ignition on, there's no lights on the dash or anything like that, but as soon as you go and put the hazards on, it goes on, like there it is, back on, right in the middle, right centre there. So it's that light there, and it's still not fixed. So yeah, it's kind of annoying because they've had the van for like a total of quite a few hours, to be fair, and it's been in and out for a few days. So yeah, we thought it would actually be fixed, especially because they said they found a few faults with earthing and that lot. And then there was like, oh yeah, it just needs like that body control module resetting and it'll all be sorted. But that isn't the case. They still charge us money, but for the hours they had it for, I think a total they've charged us about £60. And they have sorted out the tow bar, like electrics and stuff, so they've mounted all that back on. So they have done some work, and obviously like they've said, they've sorted out some earths, but it hasn't sorted out our issue. And we was going to actually ring them straight away and just say it's not a fix or anything, but I don't think it's worth it. I think the guy might just be a bit too out of his depth and can't really fix it. So I think what we're going to actually do instead is get it into an EQUIPTMENT specialist and just get them to sort it out. But I don't think we're going to do it right now because it's got year MOT on it, so we ain't got to worry about it like failing MOT and anything. And I'm not actually too sure if that would fail in MOT just because a light, like a indicator light warning was on the dash. So I'm not too sure, but yeah, we've got a year for that anyway. And because we are converting the van, obviously that's where all our money is going at the minute, and we don't really want to spend more money on trying to get the van fixed when it's not an emergency anymore. Like at the start, we obviously thought that's what was causing the battery drain, so it was kind of like we really want to get this sorted out, just stop draining the battery. Obviously replacing the battery is going to be expensive. But luckily that obviously isn't the issue. It was just kind of a dud battery. The battery's not gone flat since then. I'm not any issues or anything like that. Everything works fine in the van. It's just that stupid light on the dash. But I think we're just going to leave it for the time being, and then like when we get some more money in or anything like that, and then we'll get it sorted probably sometime next year. Obviously before the MOT, that'll be ideal. But yeah, so we're just going to crack on with the conversion and just keep going full steam ahead on that, because obviously that's the most important bit. And that little light can sod off basically, because ever since we've had the van, about 4 weeks or something now, it's just been non-stop about this light, and we're just writing a line underneath it for the time being and leaving it. And we'll come back to it at a later date and get it sorted by some specialist who knows about Ivecos and stuff, and hopefully can sort it out pretty quickly. Because electrics can be a funny thing and they can be hard to find and stuff, so we understand all that. But yeah, all the effort and time and taking it to this garage, we think it's failed. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it and move on basically. But before I just give you a quick update of obviously what's happened, because we have spoke about this electrics problem a lot. So we thought we'd just give you a quick update of obviously what the actual what's happened with it and stuff. And it's not actually fixed yet. So yeah, we're going to end the video here anyway, because we're going to go in and eat dinner, and we're not going to work on the van or anything, so we're just going to chill out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.